TC Wireless Fire Alarm System can be linked with all wired devices to automatically extinguish fires. We will test it. Insert the pre-programmed USB flash drive into the TC5126W Wireless Fire Alarm Controller. Operate the menu on the Wireless Fire Linkage Controller panel to load linkage programming into the controller. Using specialized testing equipment to trigger wireless smoke detectors. Alarm information is showed on Wireless Fire Alarm Control panel. Press the wireless menu alarm button and alarm is triggered. The wireless controller starts the wireless sound and light alarm according to the linkage programming. Activate the wireless input-output module. The smoke exhaust valve is activated. Smoke exhaust fan is activated. Fire door is closing. The rolling shutter door is semi-lowering. The wireless input-output module receives the device action feedback signal and transfers it to the wireless controller. Using specialized equipment to trigger wireless heat-sensing fire detectors. The wireless input-output module receives a signal from the wireless controller to start the full lowering of the rolling shutter door. The rolling shutter door is fully closed. The wireless input-output module receives action signals and feeds them back to the wireless controller. Press the wireless fire hydrant button. Startup information displayed on control panel, and execute linkage programming. Activate the wireless input-output module, and start the fire pump. Wireless input-output module receives action signal and send feedback to wireless fire control panel.